Stop by and take a look at the 2009 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, this vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, voice-activated navigation system, cruise control, trip computer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.